to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a day in the life kind of thing. And oh my gosh, there's a faucet in the way. So yeah, I'm just going to bring you along with the day in the life. Today is Sunday, October 4th, I believe. And I have to go to church at, my mom's going to come pick me up to go to church at 10:30. A smoothie bowl and eggs, which you cannot see at all. Hi, this is my outfit. I have leggings, a tank top, a black tank top. Oh my gosh, my hair is not short. Sorry. I have this necklace. I don't know where it's from. It's so pretty. And then I also have my dad's sweatshirt. I'm at church. I'm doing like a day in the life. Just got over. It was talking about being single. Hey guys, it's a little bit later now. I'm going to be doing an intense middle split workout. I'll just show a time lapse.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard.
My dog's barking at nothing. I finished my workout. It hurts so bad. Those middle splits, holding it for a minute, is harder than it looks. I want to make cookies, and it's oatmeal cookies. They really don't take that long to make. They only take like 15 minutes. But I don't want to make them yet. I'm just too lazy. So I think I'm going to watch some more stuff. Why am I literally so lazy? I'm going to be making oatmeal chocolate chip cookies. I know how to make this, so don't come for me. I normally make cookies, so yeet. I just threw a fork. Here's my game plan for making these cookies. This is so stupid. First, I'm going to get all my ingredients. Then I'm going to go to the bathroom. Then I'm going to put all the ingredients together, put them in the oven, let them cook, and eat them. Hey Google, play American Kids. If you don't know American Kids...
American Kids by Kenny Chesney. Here it is on YouTube Music.
I don't know. I forgot what I needed.
Lately I get lost thinking about you. I admit that I can't be without you. The air that I breathe doesn't mean nothing if you're not here, giving me something I can hold on to. Baby, please don't leave. Give me life, I need you.
I'm making oatmeal cookies.
You're recording?
Yeah.
Turn that thing off. What are you making?
Oatmeal cookies.
I don't make anything but oatmeal cookies.
No, I like oatmeal cookies. And I know how to make them.
Hey YouTube people, tell her to make something else besides oatmeal cookies.
Seriously, we're being recorded forever? Even with our shorts on?
So these are brownies that I made yesterday. They have walnuts in them. Look at them. They're very yummy.
Fresh produce that we got. Not nice. Tomatoes under there.
YouTube.
There's all sorts of stuff though that you can't see. I don't know. It's very good. Garden Fresh.
Why would you say their names? They don't know their last name.
Oh. Now she's gonna have to beep that out.
This is a headphone warning. My mom says beep really loud, so I just wanted to warn you guys, you know, so your ears don't die if you have headphones in. So yeah, that's just headphone warning, or just a warning in general.
You are planning to clean up after yourself, right?
No. What are you making?
Coffee.
Not you. Oatmeal cookies. Ooh,
Yeah, go figure.
That's a surprise. What did you show our dog?
She's the best thing of all. She's the best thing of all. Isn't she cute? Such a pretty dog. See, look, she's cute wiener dog. Aww, you make cute puppies. Yes, you would. You would have cute wiener puppies.
Quit talking about making puppies.
Why? Don't y'all think if she was like had a guide dog that was like, what's those bluish ones called? Those bluish wiener
I
dogs?
thought this YouTube was safe for YouTube kids.
No, this is not safe. She would have the cutest little poopies. Oh my gosh. We're gonna use some of that content.
So yeah, that's my parents for you. Go set a timer for 10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes. Starting now.
Hey guys, I'm editing and I just wanted to explain that the cookies were really yummy. It's just I lost some footage, so I don't have the footage anymore of like the cookies. The next thing I decided to do is make instant coffee, so you're just going to see a montage of that next. And yeah, the oatmeal cookies were honestly so good, and I just wanted to say that. I love you all. Wow, the lighting's gorgeous. Do you hear all that noise? That's my brother and his friend, and they are so loud. Hey y'all, I just want to say something before you guys see the outro. I wanted to say that I lost a lot of the footage because it wouldn't airdrop and it wasn't cooperating, but I needed to get a video out. And I know that there wasn't much footage, and I'll be doing another day in the life sometime that will be way better than this one. And I know it kind of sucked, but I think I definitely did my best, and I love you guys so very much. So I hope you guys understand that I just lost the rest of the footage pretty much, except for the outro. And I'm really sorry about that, but love you. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later now, like 10:40. I read a little bit, I watched a little bit. I think I'm gonna go to bed. I have a Zoom class at 9 a.m. so yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all so much. Bye.